If you like the content to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2019 Benz S560 4Matic, black on black. We purchased this vehicle with undercarriage damage. We replaced the oil pan, the transmission pan. As you can see, the car is running perfectly, runs like a clock. No mechanical issues, no frame damage. Really nice car. We're going to complete it. Do a quick walk around. As you can see, the body is super clean. No scratches, no dents. Really nice car. I'm sorry, it's a S560, not 550. I apologize for that. Let's take a look inside. Interior is nice and clean. Got rear power shades, panoramic roof, illuminated door sills. No airbags deployed. No warning lights on. We're going to road test it for a few days, make sure everything's functioning as it should. We're also going to take it through the New Jersey State Salvage Inspection, so the vehicle will be sold with a rebuilt title. It has 29,000 miles. Really nice, clean car. If you're interested, give us a call. Thanks for watching.